Pine nuts are the most loved buttery treat of the winter season with the goodness of heart-friendly fats and minerals. Pine nuts are also called pignoli nuts. Despite the name, pine nuts are seeds. Hence, you can call them either nuts or seeds. Pine nuts come with a hefty price tag due to their labor-intensive harvesting process and slow ripening time. These creamy nuts are native to China, Pakistan, North Korea, and Russia. In this video we will tell you the health benefits of eating pine nuts, so without further delay let's dive into the video. Weight management. These buttery nuts help with weight loss. Pine nuts effectively curb the appetite, thus contributing to weight loss. The pinolenic acid, found in pine nuts, makes your brain believe that the stomach is full. Boost energy. Certain nutrients in pine nuts, like monounsaturated fat, iron, and protein, can help boost energy levels. They also are a great source of magnesium. When magnesium is at low levels in the body, it can cause fatigue. Pine nuts also help build and repair tissues in the body that might otherwise lead to fatigue. Boost immunity. The manganese and zinc in pine nuts can do a great job of boosting immune health. While the former helps maintain the body's hormonal balance and strength of connective tissue, the latter boosts immunity and aids wound healing. Control diabetes. Pine nuts are rich in phenolic compounds that improve blood glucose control. In addition, unsaturated fats in pine nuts have beneficial effects on fasting blood glucose levels. Finally, a study shows that manganese from these little nuts lowers the risk of diabetes. Boosts brain health. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids support brain health by slowing down cognitive decline. They reduce depressive symptoms and dementia risks. Pine nuts are a great source of brain-boosting omega-3s. Thus, pine nuts stand essential for elderly adults to prevent age-related dementia. Improves heart health. Nuts, in general, are always considered good for the heart. The pinolenic acid in pine nuts supports healthy cholesterol and even helps lower the levels of bad cholesterol. The vitamin K in these seeds helps to form blood clots to prevent bleeding after injury, while the vitamin E helps produce red blood cells important for oxygen transport. Cut cancer risk. The cancer health benefits of pine nuts can be attributed to their magnesium content. This mineral has been linked to a lower risk of various types of cancer. Increasing your blood magnesium levels may help to lower such risk. Decrease stress. Magnesium in pine nuts helps decrease depression, stress, and anxiety. Since magnesium is prevalent in pine nuts, consistent intake of these vital nuts may improve anxiety disorders. Great for eyesight. The beta-carotene and antioxidants in pine nuts boost eye health. In addition, these nuts are full of vitamin A and lutein, which support sharp vision development. Lutein in pine nuts favors eye health by filtering UV light and preventing muscular damage. Since your body does not produce lutein on its own, it's mainly derived from the food you eat. Therefore, consuming pine nuts ensures a consistent supply of lutein. Secondly, the plant pigments in pine nuts have exceptional antioxidant properties that fight off free radicals for improving vision. Supports bone health. Did you know that vitamin K builds and strengthens bones better than calcium? It's true. You might be having a calcium-rich diet, but missing out on the required vitamin K levels puts you at risk of bone weakness, fractures, and osteoporosis. Pine nuts are double protective for bone health. They're rich in both calcium and vitamin K. Pine nuts are one of the only 2 tree nuts with an extraordinary level of vitamin K. If you're curious about the other one, it's cashews.